Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to save some money on a dishwasher. Instead of buying a new drain pump when the water's not draining out of your dishwasher, I'm going to show you how to use a bread tie to fix it. When you get your pump off, there will be 3 screws depending on the model or whatnot. You'll take it apart, and there'll be this little propeller. It'll spin like this because it's worn down. Instead of going and spending $30, $40, getting a new one, take a bread tie, fold it in half, put it in there, and bend it down. Take a pair of wire snips and cut it off. And then you'll take this and you'll force the propeller back onto the shaft. Now it's hard and it won't move. See that? That's how it's supposed to be. And then you'll simply put the motor back together, You'll put this O-ring on. And you'll probably be fooling with this for a few minutes to get it back sealed right. It's back together now. And then you'll reinstall it. Alright, got it all hooked back up. Here, the drain, and then the wiring. Can't forget the wiring. We'll fire it up. Select drain. And it's draining.
Awesome.
That is how you fix your motor for just the price of a bread tie, instead of spending $30+. Thank you.